This video focuses on multiplying and dividing functions. We have already learned how to add and subtract two functions. So when we multiply functions, the notation can be f times g of x or f of x times g of x. You can use either notation. To divide, you can say f divided by g of x or f of x divided by g of x. And then we'll be talking later on where the g of x cannot equal 0. That would make it undefined. All right, so here's an example. We give you a quadratic function, f of x equals 3x squared plus 1. And then we give you a g of x function, which is a linear function. And we want to go ahead and part A is to multiply these two functions together. So we're going to take f of x, which is 3x squared plus 1, times g of x, which is 5x minus 2. And we're going to go ahead and do the operation of multiplication. So what we have here is a binomial times a binomial, so we're going to FOIL them. So we're going to take 3x squared times 5x is 15x cubed. Then 3x squared times negative 2 is negative 6x squared. Then 1 times 5x is 5x. And then 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Now let's look and see, is this new function in standard form? Yes, it is. We don't have to do any simplification of adding or subtracting like terms. Part B is saying take f times g and then evaluate it for 3. So we've already done this piece here. Now we're going to go up into part A and evaluate it for 3. So wherever there's an x, we're going to place it with 3. So here is going to be a 3, there will be a 3, and there will be a 3. All right, so let's go ahead and evaluate. So 15 times the quantity 3 cubed minus 6 times the quantity 3 squared plus 5 times 3. Again, we're just evaluating that part A function for 3. Now we use orders of operation. We're going to do the exponents first. So 15, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, minus 3 times 3 is 9. Now we'll do our multiplication. So 15 times 27 is 405. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 3 is 15, and then subtract 2. So now 405 minus 54 plus 15 minus 2 gives us 364. Part C says take f, or divide them essentially, take f of x divided by g of x. So I'm going to go back up and change colors here. I'm going to take f of x, which is our blue function. So that's going to go in the numerator, 3x squared plus 1, divided by our g of x, which is 5x minus 2. So there is our final answer for when we divide those two functions, f of x divided by g of x.